Hey guys, welcome back to Alleviated Soul. So today was the day 6 of 100 days challenge on how to build yourself as a brand. So yesterday I slept late as I was working till 11, and so I woke up a bit late today. I woke up at around 8 and I was kind of tired, and my body was like resting phase for so many days. Like before starting this challenge, I was kind very lazy and I was just in the resting phase. That's why my body is like not used to doing so much of work, so it's getting a bit of tired day by day as I am working for long and continuously. But it is also getting used to this routine now, so I'm very excited for that. Anyways, after that I went and drank water, did before that I did some stretches, and then my space was a little mess and I was feeling like cleaning up my space today, so I cleaned my room. I kept all the things in its place. After that I even felt for changing the bed sheet. I don't know why, but when I feel very cluttered in my mind, that's when I feel like cleaning as well. So as I felt it, I did it. I cleaned, I changed the bed sheets, and then today is Hanuman Jayanti, so I took a bath. It was a head bath, so it was kind of a little longer, but I took that. Then I went to the temple, prayed over there, and then I came back and set for doing some work, that is editing and uploading and all. After that, today one more surprising thing that happened was my boyfriend, with whom I said that things are not going well and we fought and all, he called. Okay, I mean, it didn't go well. Like, I'm not at all feeling to speak. There is nothing to explain or anything. So whatever he asked, I just answered. And then he was like, he'll keep the call. I said okay, and he just cut it. So I got more angry after that. I mean, like, okay, you don't want to make things better, right? So fine, it went. After that, I set for editing the video, which you will see, that is the Srimad Bhagavatam, and kept it for exporting. So when it was exporting, what I did is went and started to practice for the dance reels. Okay, and at that time my mom called, let's go to temple, so I have to go to another temple. So I went there. I visited a temple, and while coming, my mom asked like, you want to have something? And I was like, yeah, pani puri. And guys, I was staying away from this, like I want a flat belly, but I had the pani puri. Oof, could not control. I mean, I could have said no, and it was just simple, but no, I went and I ate it. Now I'm feeling bad for that. Means it was not even that tasty. I didn't feel even satisfied by having it, but still the calories are put on. Like, what the hell? Okay, happened, so happened. Next, then I came back around like 7:30 and set for editing and scheduling all the videos. After that, I know that's a lot of editing, that you all might be thinking, what the hell is she even editing so much? But what shall I say? I have like I don't know from where it comes, but every time I make a video, and that one by one gets piled up. Even there are photos to edit and everything, so it just happens. I don't know how. Okay, Then I did that. After that I went and had my dinner, came back and set for shooting this video, and after that I'm gonna edit it. And today I'm very tired and also very sleepy. My eyes are literally closing, so I'm gonna go and sleep quickly. Remaining task I'll do them tomorrow, so I'm hoping to sleep by 10 o'clock today. So let's see, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, bye, take care.